are reducing, so they need to be protected. Look after sharks and the ocean will be thriving. Just don't go near them if you swim or go diving.
For more great songs from Little Baby Bum, hit the subscribe button or click the video on the screen now.